Enabling two-factor authentication on Outlook adds an extra layer of security to your account. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Sign into your Microsoft account. Go to the Microsoft account login page and enter your credentials to access your account settings. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, find the Security tab in the menu. Click on it to access your security settings. Step 3. Set up two-step verification. Look for the option labeled two-step verification or two-factor authentication. Click on it to begin the setup process. Step 4. Choose your verification method. Select how you want to receive your verification codes. Options may include text messages, phone calls, or an authentication app. Follow the prompts to configure your chosen method. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After setting up your verification method, you may need to verify it by entering a code sent to you. Once confirmed, save your changes to activate two-factor authentication. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Outlook account with two-factor authentication.